So here's how to add your affiliate link on your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are there, now here you have to simply go to the dashboard of your Wix site. Then click on the design site option. After that, this page will appear. From here you have to simply click on the add elements option from the left menu. After that, click on the text, and now here you have to select the text that you want to add to your site. Here I'm gonna select this text, and to simply add to my site I clicked on it. Then here at this page I clicked on the edit text option. After that, you can add any text that you want to add in this text box. Here you can also create text using AI. As you can see, create AI text option at the top of it. Now to add your affiliate link, click on this clip icon. After that, this pop-up window will appear. Then you have to select the type of your URL. Here I'm gonna click on the web address option. Now go to your any affiliate store. Here I'm gonna use the Amazon affiliate account. Now click on the text option from the site stripe to generate your affiliate link. You can generate this link for any of the products here. After that, simply paste your URL here in this box. Now select how do you want to open your URL. Here I'm gonna click on the new window option, and then you have to click on the advanced SEO settings to set advanced SEO. After that, click on the done option at the bottom to save the settings. So that's how to add affiliate link onto your Wix website.